we're bringing you the first of a couple videos from the man himself, Daniel Alfonso, inside the Daniel Alfonso salon here in Hollywood, Los Angeles. For those who don't know, Daniel actually gave me the first undercut that I ever had in my life in a video called Garage Cuts, uploaded to the BluMaan channel 4 years ago. Now it's been a while, but it's awesome to be reunited with one of the best men's hairdressers in the world, featuring a new friend of mine, Matthew, who's getting his hair cut today. So as you can probably tell, Matthew came in with some seriously shaggy hair. It's been about 4 months since he's gotten a haircut, and don't get me wrong, it actually looks pretty cool. I like the style he's got going on, but today we're gonna get it nice and cleaned up. The plan here is to go for a bit of a summery rock star look since Matthew already has that edgy look to him. We're going to be taking the sides down a bit for a more polished look, but leave the hair on top of his head long enough to either be worn upwards in like a quiff type of style or worn downwards like it was when Matthew first came into the salon. As you can probably already tell, both Daniel himself and his salon has a really cool, unique aesthetic going on. I'm actually making another video showcasing more about him and his salon, which I'm excited to put together and show you guys. So when it's ready, make sure you keep a lookout for that one. So as I mentioned, we're giving Matthew a more edgy look, doing something a little bit different. Basically, Daniel is going to be leaving the back of his hair a little longer than his side, so a little like a faux hawk. Since Matthew's hair is so thick, having that slightly longer length in the back is going to blend in really nicely with the length on top and give an overall awesome looking texture throughout, especially for the finished style. As for the top, Daniel is taking close to 1 inch off in length, so still leaving a good amount, roughly 5 inches of hair length to keep the styling options versatile. With the cut being finished, it's time to get it washed out and styled. Matthew's hair is naturally pretty straight, but he likes a good amount of wave in the finished look, so Daniel is using a diffuser on the end of his blow dryer, which helps to create a more wavy, curly look. So for those of you who want to get more wave or curl, make sure that you attach the diffuser to the end of your blow dryer. And now for the best bit of all, going in with that glorious Monarch Matte paste. I'm sure a lot of you will be happy to know that BluMaan is officially shipping to India once again. We've worked out all the shipping kinks, so if you're from India, we're once again open for business and we can ship to your country. If you want full shipping information, head over to the BluMaan blog. We've got you covered. Monarch is going to help add that perfect amount of lightweight hold and texture to keep Matthew's hair volumized all day long and also add to that really sick rock star look. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, please make sure to like and subscribe. You can check out Daniel's salon in the description down below. And for all of your hair product needs, we've got you covered at BluMaan.com. I'll be seeing everyone next time.